seconds. Are you almost ready for Iceland? Just about, still have to pack. What to pack? That's the question. Let's check out what the Worrywarts are packing. Hi, Worrywarts here. We're 3 days from our trip to Iceland. Being from Florida, probably are packing a little too many warm clothes, but in our opinion, you can never have too many warm clothes. So I'm going to start off with what we're bringing on the plane. Now, being germaphobes, you can just imagine hand sanitizer, Clorox disinfectant wipes, wet ones, and some Cottonelle wipies too. And a little tip for you all, for the plane, make sure you have your passports, earplugs, some lip balm, because it does get dry up there. And hey, one of the most important things is going to be light blocks. Linda? And what's going to help us sleep on the plane? A little Benadryl, help our ears. Now, I'm not saying this is for everybody. This is what we're going to try. We bought these for our shoes. It goes right over the shoe so we don't slip on ice. Very lightweight, not a big deal to carry. From a utility standpoint, water bottle. Iceland, everywhere you go, water's available. So let's think of the environment a bit and just refill. We got these at Starbucks, $4. For those nights that are kind of chilly, got a thermos. A little coffee in there, maybe a little coffee and Kahlua. I don't know, we'll see. Let's talk about outer clothing. This we got from Planet Warmth, okay? This is turtle fur. And I'm gonna put it on just to show you. This is important. When you breathe in cold air, it can cause bronchial irritation. This at least gives you a barrier between you and the cold air. And let's say you go into a place and you don't want to look like, you're robbing the place. Just pull it down and, converse from there. 2 pairs of gloves. This is what I call my lady gloves. These, Linda and I bought online. Waterproof. This is when we go snowmobiling, go through a cave, glaciers. So this is a little more heavy duty, a little clunkier. But I think when we're in town, we'll be sticking with the smaller gloves. My feet always get cold, so bought some wool socks. Sometimes I get hot, so I also brought some thin socks. For the plane, compression socks. So I think the feet are covered. Gonna bring a pair of jeans, because let's face it, you can never go wrong with a pair of jeans. We have the 32-degree heat shirts. I bought a gray one, black one, and the pants. Few t-shirts. Now, let's move on to outerwear. You know what I did? I didn't want to look like I was wearing the same black pants every day, so I bought a pair of white ski pants for those cold days. These suckers, they are thick. These are really thick. These are Arctics, A-R-T-I-X. I'll let you know how it goes. We got them online. I have a black pair that we got from Colombia. Looks like great liner in there, nice and insulated. I believe in variation. So some days you're gonna see me with this hat on, okay? Other days, you may see me with this hat on. If it's very cold, and from what I understand, the wind chill in Iceland is over the chart. You may see me pull a double. Okay, so that's a possibility. I want to prepare you. I'm bringing 2 stylish scarves just to give some variation in case I wear black every day. One day you're going to be like, oh no, she had gray on. Next day you're going to be like, oh no, she had a little burgundy on. Comment below also, what do you think is the most important thing to bring to Iceland? Now, you might be thinking, hey Irene, what about a jacket? Well, this is a Columbia jacket. Check out that liner. It's It's got some thermo lining on it. I'm gonna be going on the plane with this on. And you know what? The most heavy thing is my boots. These are also Columbia boots, and we'll see how they do. Hey, one more thing. After you hit subscribe, go ahead and ring the bell so we keep you updated on all our Worrywart trips. All right, see you in Iceland. Make sure you hit subscribe or I'm gonna get one of my dragons after you. And I don't need your hairs on this. You're being tiny and you're not to stop it. I'm not gonna take you to Iceland